Hey y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, let me go ahead and stop you right here. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I need you to be a part of my family, okay? This is a place where I do my hair, a little bit of beauty. I basically pull myself together and I want you, as a part of my family, to go on these journeys with me. Now, if you're already a part of the family, you already know the type of journeys we be getting into and the things I be getting into with this hair, okay? So today, I'm gonna show you guys how I did this flat twist, 2-strand twist, pigtail thing I got going on here. If you want to see how I did it, be sure to stay tuned. Hey y'all, we back at it again, and as always, like the last couple of tutorials, I have no idea what I'm going to do with my hair. I think I want to do twists because I just had braids, and so I want to give, you know, my edges a little time, cool out. You know, I just want to stress them out too much and end up edgeless, snatching my own edges. That's not in the mood. My hair, freshly washed, deep conditioned, detangled. I mean, I deep conditioned, like set it under the hooded dryer, deep conditioned. Got my leave-in conditioning here right now. So everything is just feeling all nice and moisturized and luxurious. So I'm going to go in with, you know, my favorite curl activator cream and a little oil just to seal everything in on top. And then we're going to style it. Here we got a glass of wine here to help us on this journey. So let's see what we can create, guys. Y'all ready? All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do here is just take my hair down so we can get it prepared for styling. I wanted to go ahead and just separate the front from the back so I can have, you know, something going up on the front and some twists in the back. At least that was my general idea. That's what I was kind of feeling and thinking about. So I think I want to do like a little side part. So we're gonna just throw a part right here. Let's just see. Yeah. We're gonna do something like that. A little side part here. And going back. Yeah. I like that. So I went ahead and just twisted my hair out of the way. Section your hair, okay? Section your hair off. Like I'm telling y'all, it makes things so much easier, okay? So much easier. So like I said, I think I'm gonna do some twists, some flat twists and some 2-strand twists and just give my edges and my hair a break. The last thought I had was like braids up the front. Yeah, so at the end of the day, it's still tension. You just have to be mindful that, like, you know, you just want to snatch your own edges. Like, that's not the move, okay? So my hair is already damp and I don't need to add water, but I'm going to go in with this, my curl activator cream, and just get everything, you know, get them curls a popping, you know? Let's get everything ready, okay? Let me turn to the side so y'all can see what we doing here. Yeah, just get the hair coated. And I'm going to go through and add more because each section needs its own love, okay? And one of the ways that I keep my twist so nice is that I make sure my hair is always detangled. Go in with our oil, y'all. Squish, seal all that goodness on in there. Yes. I just need to make sure my hair is nice and moisturized because it deserves, okay? It deserves. I'm moisturizing my skin all day, lotion and lathering. Your hair deserves the same type of treatment and love, okay? So massage your products in. Like, I take that so seriously. Just, it deserves, okay, sis? So I'm gonna go through with the comb and get things like semi-straight back here. So part straight down. Let me turn around so y'all can see it. All right, so I went in with my favorite. Y'all already know, style and foam, just to get the hair nice and coated so my twist can be nice and juicy, okay? So you see how I'm twisting my hair? I do like the smoothing technique down each strand just to make sure all the hair remains detangled. Now, I know y'all see that piece of hair out there. Don't worry, we're coming back to it. So I went on to my second twist right beside it. I did the same exact process. Made sure the hair was pinned out the way and then finished the twisting process. And then I felt it. There it go. And then I went ahead and moved on to the next row. Like I said, detangling your hair throughout the process. Also make sure that your twists are nice, smooth, and sleek. And make sure that no hair is out of place, okay? You see the styling foam in there right now, but all that styling foam will dry up and everything's gonna look gorgeous, okay? All right, y'all, we have made it through, okay? We have gotten this backside twisted. Let me turn around so I can show y'all. So let's go ahead and tackle the front of this hair, okay? All right, so I'm going to work on this section here since it's bigger. I think I'm gonna take some flat twist and, you know, make it like a swoop of flat twist or something, like straight down. I think that's what I'm feeling. All right, y'all, so I'm a big fan of, like I said, prepping my hair, separating my hair. So what you see me doing here is separating the hair out for those 4 flat twists I'm gonna do. So everything can be, you know, just not as complicated. I don't have to do all this parting in the middle while I'm twisting. I can just focus on my twisting because everything is already sectioned off here. Now my hair in the front was a little bit drier, so I went in with some water and the same products, the curl activator cream, followed up with some of that olive oil just to seal in all that goodness. A little bit of jam, because the flat twists, we want them to be sleek, okay? You gotta have everything nice and sleek. And then I went in with my styling foam just to make sure the twists are nice, shiny, and juicy, okay? And so what you see me doing right here is just flat twisting straight on down, and then the remaining end of the hair will be 2-strand twisted. And you see with my flat twist, I do the same thing, that smoothing technique, okay? Now if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, okay? Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a new video, all right? Let's get back to the tutorial. And see, you see me using that detangler brush. Gotta keep everything detangled. All right, y'all, so we got this front all nice and twisted down. It's a little tighter up here, but real loose around the edges. And everything is drying nicely here. So we're gonna tackle this side over here. Let's see what we're gonna do over here. All right, so I went ahead and started on that smaller section and only decided to do 2 flat twists on this side. So I just parted the hair and got to work, okay? Use the same exact products and just flat twist and make sure everything looked nice and neat, just the way that I wanted it. Yes, so I finished all the twists. I did me a nice little straight backs. They look kind of diagonal, but you know, something like that this way. I got my 4 flat twists set this way, and all my 2-strand twists along the back. I'm gonna allow the twist to air dry so everything can plump up and be nice and juicy and shrink up to about the same length. All right, so now it's time to work on this front section of hair. So what you see me doing here is taking all these flat twists and twisting them together so I can get the hair out of my face. I switched it up a little bit in my final reveal and flat twisted the twist over, but your choice. So I went ahead and put a pin in it, and then I went on to the little side twist and twisted those jokers together and put a pin in it just so I can hold them until I got my pigtails together. Yup. Y'all see that? Look at it. Isn't it cute? Show them what you're working with, girl. Ooh, ooh. And that's the back side. Them pigtails are cute. Serve it, girlfriend. Oh my gosh, guys. My pigtails turned out cute. My pigtails turned out cute. My pigtails turned out cute. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my flat twist, 2-strand twist pigtail tutorial, okay? If you did, right? If you did, I know you did. I know you enjoyed it, okay? Go ahead and like this video, okay? Comment down below and let me know what you think, okay? Let me know if any other hairstyle combinations, anything else you want me to do. If you want to see it, let me know down below, okay? And before you go, subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? I know you enjoyed the video, so go ahead and subscribe, okay? And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.